Okay, so I'm back down in the kitchen with Cindy too. We're gonna do the potato salad. Okay. So I had the potatoes boiled. I did the eggs already. So far, I put the Tonys in. I put the black pepper in there, and I put some garlic pepper. I love this right here. So let's put some onion powder in. And this is Pandora. I do not own any copyrights to this music. Some celery salt. You can use celery seed or celery salt or celery flakes. I'm going to use the salt on this one. Okay. I'm going to throw in some pepper and onions. There's some scallions in here too. Let me turn this down. Okay. And I'm going to put some peppers in there, the melody of peppers. And there's celery. Oh yeah. Can't leave that celery out, right? We're going to put some mustard in. Not a lot. And I like to use this. This is my secret ingredient. Do you have a secret ingredient in some of your dishes? This is my secret ingredient. And everybody I show how to do, they love it. Right here. You ain't got to overdo it. This is the hit. Right? And of course the sugar. And let's put that mayonnaise in here. Well, let's do the relish first. Now let's put that mayonnaise in here. I usually start a little bit with the mayonnaise because I don't want to overdo it with that. But then that means I'd have to make more potatoes if I overdo it with the mayonnaise. We ain't trying to do that. We ain't trying to do that. But this comes out so good, guys. Try it. Try it. It's good on your macaroni salad. Let's go a little too in my ear. Okay. Hey, what y'all know about that? If you're of a particular age, you might can appreciate that. Right? Okay. What's for your dinner, guys? What are you cooking? You know, you can leave comments, questions, concerns. Yep. That is good already. And then I let it settle down, and I'll add more mayo once it settles down because of the what you call it? Because of my secret ingredient. Once it settles, then I'll put more mayonnaise in. But yeah, this is good. I wish you could taste it. And it's like I got it all of the taste right on the first one, you know? Go ahead, Marvin, sing. Marvin sings that to me. That's so good, y'all. Again, I let it settle, and then I put just a little more mayonnaise, not a whole lot more. But this is talking to me. Have some. Taste that. That's the Holy Ghost potato salad. Mmm. 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 Yeah, no. I can double dip because of mine. Mmm. That's really good. Mmm. 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 Telling you. One more. One more. One more. Mmm. 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 Everything is just perfect in here. But I have to let it sit for a while. So I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it sit. Mmm. 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 My goodness. Mm. I'm happy with that. Okay, so we're moving on. I'm going to come back and we are going to dress up that turkey. Take out that ham and that cornbread dressing. Mm-hmm. And we'll take it from there. So far, let's take a look. Wait a minute. Okay. That's the rutabaga. I still want to taste it to make sure because, ouch. When I prepared it before, my hand, my wrist, put too much salt in there. Not too much, but just more than what it should have been. So this way I put a little more water in there. I added the smoked meat and we're going to give it a taste. Mm-hmm. Wow way, huh? Wow way. Wow. Oh. Mm. I'm happy about it. Happy about it. Okay. So, let's go to the string beans. And let's see what we got. We're going to go in here and we're going to taste that. That's piping hot. Let's see. So far, I'm happy, you know. But what happens when you put a lot of love, you take your time and you put the love in there. And like I know how, you know, I've done this so many times too, you know, but each time it comes out with a different taste. I add something new or I don't. I do the like way back old school. It depends. You can always elevate your cooking, but it all depends on how you use your seasonings. Don't be scared of it. Play around with it. The worst that can happen if you put too much of something in there. That's why you have water. You know, that's why you have water or you add more of whatever, you know, you cook it. String beans. If it came too salty, put some more string beans in there. Put a little more water in there. But, you know, be careful with your broth because it's sodium filled, right? Take your time and play with it. You should enjoy being in your kitchen. This is my happy space. I love being in here. I'm never tired of being in the kitchen because I'm doing what I love to do. And for the beginners, I'm glad that you have us to show you these things. There's so many of us on here, you know. I learned from just about everybody I watch on here, which I'm going to shout out right now. Cooking My Way LLC and the Takeover with Flo. Those are my two mentors. And I love them dearly. Those are my two mentors. So I want to also shout out to Tracy Mitchell, Mama Tracy, and Chef Carmen ATL. The Green family. Oh, I love the Greens. There's so many of them, but you can always learn, you know. But what I do, I learn. I take something and then I make it mine because I mess with it. I play with it. I get in here and I see what works, you know. So, but I still give the props, you know. That's respect. Y'all want to taste it first? Let's see. I'm taking care of business. I did that. That's good. Huh? And I ain't lying just because y'all are here. If it wasn't up to par, we'd have to figure it out, you know. That's the joy, because nobody's always 100% dead on, okay? There's always a kitchen boo-boo somewhere. There's always a kitchen mishap. So, and I'm not ashamed to tell you I messed up. Because I'm human, and it happens, you know? So, don't get on here trying to be all perfecto-mendos, because it happens. And that's all a part of learning and teaching. You know, it's okay. Don't be have so much pride and that ego so big that you above the rim, because you ain't. None of us are. But that is good, guys. All right, so we're going to move on now. I'm going to clean up. Remember, I tell you the importance of cleaning as you go. So I'm going to do some of that right now. And I'm going to be back, and we are going to take care of the ham, the last parts of the ham. The dressing I'm not going to make until tomorrow because I need the drippings from that turkey, which is very, very important. So we're going to do the ham. The last thing, we'll put the turkey in, and I'm going to take it down. Okay? So I just wanted to make sure I did individual dishes, you know, for you guys. And especially for the beginner, okay? For the ones that are trying to learn how. If I combined everything, it would be a whole lot. So I want to shout out right now to the beginners, huh? Welcome, like, join, and share, okay? See you shortly.